Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Today we will solve this question. This is a circuit, actually this is a complex circuit. In this complex circuit we can see here is the battery and the potential difference is 18 volt. The current starts to flow from that direction from positive electrode. When it starts to flow, the first point is this P1 and the second point is this P2 and third point is this P1. That is because here the current will disperse into three directions: the first direction, the second direction and the third direction. And when it comes here, there is no further direction for it, and when again the current comes here, it will have further two more directions. And then when again it comes to this point, it will again have two more directions. So that's why that current has 3 points. तो जो मेन अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी वो ये थी कि करंट जैसे ही स्टार्ट होगा फ्लो होना तो यहाँ पर ये करंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा. सो दैट पॉइंट इज़ नोन एज पॉइंट 1, जहाँ से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ. सेकेंडली यहाँ पर आया तो कोई करंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं हुआ. थर्डली जब ये यहाँ पर आया तो इसको दो और रास्ते मिल रहे हैं, सो इट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अगेन. और यहाँ थर्ड पॉइंट पर फिर से वो दो डायरेक्शन में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा. सो नाउ कम एंड लेट अस distribute and break it down the whole complex circuitry. अब इसको जब distribute करेंगे, we'll see here I have drawn the first reader. This 100 ampere, sorry, this 100 ohm is represented here. ये 100 ohm यहाँ पर represent हुआ है. अब that 50 ohm and 250 ohm are in series, so that's why these both I have drawn here in series, and this 200 ohm is in parallel with these 250 and 250. That's why here it is in parallel with this 50 and 250, and the same this 300 ohm is also in parallel of these three, and this 150 is separated here. Okay, so first of all students, what we will solve, we will solve this 50 and 250 are in series. So we know that the RT will be 50 ohm plus 250 ohm, so that RT will be 300 ohm. So the new resistor that will replace these two resistors will be of 300 ohm. Now let me break it down in secondary draw. Students, in secondary draw, actually we have combined these two resistors of 50 and 250 ohm. So that will be 300 ohm as we have calculated it, because these are two series resistors and they will only add up. So in secondary draw, we know that these two resistors are now in parallel, 300 ohm and 200 ohm. So the formula of parallel will be 1 upon 300 plus 1 upon 200 ohm. So that will be, the equivalent resistance will be 120 ohm. So we will replace these two resistors as 120 ohm. So now let us look at the third redraw. We have replaced these 300 ohm and 200 ohm resistors with this 120 ohm resistors. Now we know that 120 and 300 ohm resistors both are in parallel with each other. So again we have to apply the same formula, 1 upon 120 and 1 upon 100 and 300 ohm. So now the total resistance will be 86 ohm. So now let us redraw that circuit and write 86 ohms resistor instead of these two parallel combination. So now that is how the fourth redraw look alike. That is 100 ohm resistors, 86 ohm is replaced with these two resistors, and 150 ohm. So now these all three resistors are in series. So just what we have to do, we have to do an add up. So 100 plus 86 plus 150, that will be 336 ohm. So the whole resistance will be 336 ohm. So now our circuit will look alike this is the actually the situation of the circuit. 18 volt 336 ohm resistor. So now with this formula of Ohm's law, we have to calculate the current around this resistor. So the formula will be rearranged like V upon R. So I will be 18 upon 336. So that will be calculated as 0.056 ampere. Hope you have understood it.